Part 4. Detailed Cleaning. A manual cleaning may be necessary if your scanner is still experiencing problems after using a cleaning card or if the top part of the image sensor is dirty. Make sure your scanner is powered off and unplugged before beginning the manual cleaning process. Remove the outer covers as well as the front and rear image sensor walls. Remove the ink cartridge. If your scanner is a model with a franker, please make sure the roller is also removed before cleaning. Use a can of compressed air to blow out the paper track, starting from the feeder and working your way around to the exit pocket. The magnetic micro head often attracts metal objects such as paper clips and staples. Remove them by hand or with a soft plastic object such as a track cleaning spatula. You can carefully flip the scanner over to dislodge objects stuck elsewhere in the track. Please do not lift up the scanner with the cable still plugged in or with the covers still attached. Either of these may cause damage to the scanner. Wipe the glass on the fixed image sensor walls using a digital check cleaning swab or an alcohol wipe. Always start by wiping the glass first before moving on to the other parts. Be sure to wipe around the ink cartridge opening and the franker roller, and do these parts last to avoid getting ink on the camera glass. Wipe both removable walls, being sure to avoid the excess ink collection pad on the rear image sensor wall. When you're finished, reinsert the ink cartridge and lock it into place. Reattach the front and rear image sensor walls over the metal guideposts. Finally, replace the outer covers. You are now ready to resume using your scanner.